Hey, what's up, good people? This is going to be a short one. I just want to talk about Volta. But before we do, check out all my links below and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's go right into it. This is Volta. VLTA is the ticker symbol. And as you can see here, it's making a rebound. All right. So we're on a 5-day. It is. I actually was going to wait until it showed signs of a bottom, which it already has because it is oversold. And as you can see here on the 5-day chart, it's starting to make a strong rebound right here. So it was oversold, and there was more selling pressure, twice as much selling pressure as they were buying pressure. And so now it's running back up because it has found a floor. And I bought some more pre-market. I would say if it dips back under $7, I would buy. Remember, if it dips back under $7, I would buy. Now, when I say I mean Larry, because I'm not your financial advisor. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. I have to say that, good people. But I put this one on the radar. And like I said before, if you don't have a trading platform, I suggest Webull. Just download the Webull app. There's a link below, and deposit $100. They're going to give you 2 free stock worth up to $2,300. Hey, I'm going to leave it right there. Just remember to like and subscribe. A lot of you guys haven't hit the notification bell, so you're not getting these, okay? I'm going to leave it right there, good people. Hey, we want to watch this play, but remember, this is a long-term play. I literally think that I strongly believe it'll hit $15. I actually believe it'll hit $18, okay? Then let's see what the infrastructure bill does for it. For those of you that don't know, it is a EV charging station. And I would also be dollar cost averaging into charge point at these prices, okay? We started buying under $18. We loaded up. But right now, we're just going to dollar cost average. There still will be volatility, but I believe by the time December get here, we'll be in a home. We'll be running up from there. That's what I believe. Okay. All right. Remember, do your own research. Hope you have a blessed day. We'll see you later.